Dr. Seuss's Sleep Book. The news just came in from the county of Kent that a very small bug by the name of Van Vleck is yawning so wide you can look down his neck. This may not seem very important, I know, but it is, so I'm bothering telling you so. A yawn is quite catching, you see, like a cough. It just takes one yawn to start other yawns off. Now the news has come in that some friends of Van Vleck's are yawning so wide you can look down there.
This is fun. Oh, you're good at this.
Playtime is over. Time to clean up. We had a lot of fun playing. Will you help me put the toys away? Drag each toy into the right box. Click start to begin the game. Try again. Oh, you can do it. Great job! Let's play together.
You're fantastic and amazing. You just turned yourself 4. I'm happy as a woodchuck in a furniture store.
In yo bake!
What breadwinners say after delivering bread?
In yo bake!